At the moment, you can get Pulsetto Fit at the lowest price ever, and only with our exclusive discount code. In this video, I'll show you why Pulsetto Fit stands out, how to use our Pulsetto coupon code, and claim the exclusive Healthnews deal. Here's the momentum you cannot miss. Our exclusive deal gives you Pulsetto Fit at the lowest price of the year. Check the link in the description or scan the QR code before the best deal ends. The Pulsetto Fit is a neck-worn vagus nerve stimulation device that gently stimulates the vagus nerve to help support stress relief, better sleep, and recovery. Using it is quick. Apply conductive gel to the electrodes, place it around your neck, power on, then in the free Pulsetto app, choose a program. Stress, sleep, pain, burnout, or anxiety, and start your session. Now, I've been using the Pulsetto Fit for months now. It's lighter, more comfortable, and honestly more convenient to use daily than the previous version. After a session, I feel calmer and more grounded, and winding down at night is just much more smoother for me. And yes, it's non-invasive and certified for safety, which matters for a device that you wear around your neck. I'm wearing Pulsetto Fit now, and the upgrades are exactly what make it easy to use every day. First, the build. It's lightweight, flexible, and premium designed to handle daily use and travel. The fit is dialed in with magnetic padding options, and there are 2 sizes included, so it sits snugly whether your neck is slim or regular. Strap them on and you're set. You also get approximately 20% longer battery life, and in practice, I'm getting about a week on a full charge with daily sessions. Sessions start more gradually with a new wave-like pattern, and Pulsetto says you can feel a shift in as little as 4 minutes. Setup is simple. Power on and the app pairs it quickly so you can get straight to your session. And inside the free app, you'll find 5 core programs: stress, sleep, worry/anxiety, burnout, and pain. Plus premium extras like guided meditations and breathing exercises if you want to go deeper. So a quick reminder, this is the lowest price you'll see all year. It's our exclusive Pulsetto Fit discount. You'll also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Hit the link below or scan the QR code and lock in the best price before it's gone. Thank you for watching. For a deeper dive, check out our full Pulsetto review where I discuss the Pulsetto Fit in detail right here on the Health News channel.